I'm Samira Kavatkar.
Singh.
My name is Tiflo.
I'm Jen Belisi.
I'm John Nguyen.
My name is Barry.
I'm Jari.
My name is Krzysztof Czerwiński.
In Chinese cooking, it's very usual to use whole animals, whole fish, and all the bits from head to tail.
When I was growing up, we were never allowed to throw any food away.
My parents are 100% Filipino, but I grew up in the US, so they have that kind of immigrant mentality of really being resourceful.
Scraps is very easy for me because we don't waste anything in Vietnam.
Leftovers is basically how we respect from where the produce is coming.
盡可能地將好食材嘅每一部分都用晒。
We work towards how we can utilize every single part of the vegetables or meat so there's no waste on it.
The food scrap that we're using are lemon peels.
Leftover pasta.
Onion skins.
Leftover rice.
Potato skin.
過熟嘅車厘茄。
Cucumber peel.
Tea leaves.
Leftover leek tops.